Hi, I'm Asia from BFlex, and today I'm going to show you how to use our GLAM series heat transfer vinyl. Inside the package you will find the GLAM film and the datasheet with the washing and application instructions. The GLAM series heat transfer vinyls are films with a holographic finish, which is perfect for the most creative designs and for fashion projects. Using the GLAM film is as simple as this. Place the film on the cutting plotter mat with the shiny side, which is the liner, facing down. Set your designer in the software and remember to mirror your design. Insert the heat transfer vinyl in the plotter and proceed with the mirror cut of the graphic. After the cut is complete, remove the film from the plotter and trim the graphic with scissors. Weed the excess material. During the weeding phase, if some details rise, we can easily reposition them thanks to the adhesive liner. Now the graphic is ready to be applied. The application on the garment can be done using a heat press or home iron. It is essential to carefully follow the time and temperature instructions suggested on the datasheet. To achieve an optimal result, make sure to work on a rigid surface, like a table, and to use a heat press mat. Place the garment on a heat press mat. Preheat the garment to remove moisture and wrinkles. Place the design on the garment with the shiny side, which is the liner, facing up. Set the heat press following the time and temperature suggested on the datasheet. Now let's press the graphic, making sure to press the entire design area according to the time specified on the datasheet. Set the home iron following the line and temperature suggested on the datasheet. When using the home iron, it's very important to keep in mind to not use steam and to empty the iron tank of any remaining water. Our heat transfer vinyl does not require any protective film such as Teflon or parchment paper, but to facilitate the sliding of the iron on large graphics, as in this case, we use parchment paper. Let's press the design with circular movements on its entire surface. Peel off the liner cold, so let it cool completely before peeling it off. If a part of the graphic rises during the peeling phase, we can reposition the liner on it and press it again. Our t-shirt is now finished. We recommend to wait 12 hours before first washing and to follow the washing instructions specified on the datasheet. If you want to use this design for your applications too, download the file in the description. Bye!